Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to show you how I make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to be very honest with you here. I'm going to show you under the hood of my business and I'm going to explain exactly how this works. Now the reason I want to do this is because I've just finished another product review of yet another shiny object that's just not going to deliver for you. And these things are very, very popular in the make money online niche, right? Now, what I want to be able to do is show you that it doesn't matter what kind of niche you're in. If you are trying to make money with affiliate marketing, it is possible if you follow some very, very basic principles. Number one, you need to be able to get an audience. So you need to be able to get a group of people that are interested within the niche that you're in. Number two, you need to provide them value. Value being things like product reviews, being tips and tricks type videos, anything that you think that audience would be interested in. And then thirdly, you need to be able to promote quality products and services to those folks, so they're going to be repeat customers and they're going to want to know what you're promoting next. Three basic things, but they're the things that a lot of people are trying to skip and really try and get to the money before you go ahead and create proper content and get value out to people. So I'm going to show you how I do this. We'll go under the hood and I'll show you some numbers in my business at the moment. Now, if you want to know how to do this click by click, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. You'll see a free resource there that you can go ahead and grab today, and it'll show you how to do this step by step. So let's jump in straight away. I want to show you kind of the numbers first, and then we'll get into how I actually do this on a daily basis. So first thing I've done, guys, is jumped inside my Paykickstarter account. Now this is just to show you that I actually do make money online. If you look at these dates, this is between the 20th of December and the 18th, so this is 30 days. And it's around about $2,000, and this is just one of my accounts. I also make money with my YouTube account, which I'll show you a little bit later on, as well as some other affiliate networks. So this is just to show you that this method works and is very, very simple to implement. Now let's just dive over to my funnel. Now this is a very, very simple funnel, and what you need to do, guys, if you're doing this, is make sure you're keeping things very, very simple, and it will be very effective. So what you have is a niche here that you're part of. Now I'm part of the Make Money Online niche, which is very, very competitive, but has lots of different things within it that you can talk about. Now in my case, I use YouTube. So to provide value to my audience, I have a YouTube channel. Now that YouTube channel has a variety of videos on there. Mainly they are review videos and then niche related topic videos, so you could do exactly the same. Again, the types of videos that you would have vary depending on the niche, but the concept is the same. Now, instead of a YouTube channel, you could easily have a blog and be writing articles, or you could have social media presence where you're posting various things that that niche would like onto the social media channel. So whatever you're doing here to actually get people interested in what you have to say is where you're actually building your audience. Now the most crucial thing here is to be able to get details of that audience so that you can then provide more value to them and then promote goods and services to them that they will like. Now in my case, it's an opt-in form, and then obviously it's YouTube subscribers on my channel. They're the kind of two main ways that I actually am able to connect with my audience. So in my case, I have this opt-in form. Then once they've opted in to my page, they're on my email marketing list, and then I can go ahead, and those emails are a mixture of value-based emails and then some promotional emails as and when I see goods and services that I think that will provide them value. And then ever so often those emails will have some form of promotion in there. Now this could be a training course, this could be a piece of software, this could be a service like an email service, and then they can go ahead and purchase. And it is just as simple as this. It's that three-step process of building an audience, providing value to them, and promoting quality products and services to those folks so they'll be a repeat customer of yours for years to come. Now let me just show you my YouTube channel itself. If I just jump over to my YouTube channel here, this is the School of Nomads channel. I just show you the stats for this channel. You can see this is over the last 28 days. I've had around 22,000 views, about 1,000 watch hours, 200 296 new subscribers, which is great, and I've made about $400. Now this is in over a strange period, obviously over Christmas and New Year, so this is always a slow time of the year. So these are slightly lower than typical if I just show you the overall, but you get a sense that just by being consistent and using one way to communicate with your audience, which in my case is YouTube, over time you will see some really nice results and start building a real business online. Here's the channel over the lifetime: 180,000 views, 13,000 watch hours, 3,200 subscribers, and this was only monetized at the end of July, so $3,000 worth of revenue. So you can see that, again, being consistent will actually make you money with YouTube. Now if I go into my emails, remember that I actually collect a lot of my subscribers through email. My email subscriber list over the last, say, 6 months, because really I've only been doing this consistently for around 6 months, is around 1,300 people, and it grows around average 4 a day, but that's some days you don't get many and other days you get a lot, depending on whether I post videos, etc. And it's just showing you over the last 30 days it's grown by about 126. So again, over the same period of Christmas, but a bit slow. This is usually going up by about good 250 a month. You don't need to have a very complex funnel to be able to do this. You need a niche that you're interested in. You need a way to provide value to them. You need a way to collect details from them, and then you need good products and services to promote. Hey guys, so I hope you found that simple. It is a very, very effective way to grow a business online. Now, the one thing you will need to do is have patience, because it takes time to build up that quality content and then build up your audience. And if you haven't got patience, then you'll never really be able to build a business. If you think about anything you do in life or anything you do as far as building a business outside of the internet, that would always take time to establish. Now on the internet it's no different, even though some people like to tell you it's kind of quicker, push button, everything happens instantly. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It takes effort and it takes patience. Now, if you're willing to do that, go ahead and check out my link in the description below. There's a really good 12-step action plan there. It's going to take you through everything I taught you today in a great detail, step by step, and you can get started. So guys, if you haven't been to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. Until next time guys, take care.